The following breathing meditation technique can help you relax by guiding you to concentrate on your breathing. It is beneficial to keep meditation sessions brief when learning to meditate so that you can maintain your concentration. You can extend the duration of your meditation sessions as you get more comfortable and adept at it. You will concentrate on your breath during this breathing meditation. This will help you relax your mind and body. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to meditation. Whatever you feel during this breathing meditation is exactly what you need. Don't try to force anything to happen. Instead, simply observe. To begin, pick a comfortable position that will not cause you to fall asleep. An excellent posture to attempt is sitting on the floor with your legs crossed. Close your eyes or concentrate on a single area in the room. Slowly roll your shoulders forward and then back. Lower your left ear towards your left shoulder, then your right ear towards your right shoulder. As you lean your head from side to side. Muscles should be relaxed. As you meditate, your body will continue to relax. Pay attention to your breathing. Take note of how your breath enters and exits your body. Make no attempt to alter your breathing. Simply observe how your body breathes. Your body is aware of how much oxygen it requires. Sit quietly and visualize your breath gently moving in and out of your body. When your mind wanders, which it will, simply return your attention to your breathing. Any stray thoughts should be noted, but they should not be dwelled upon. Allow your thoughts to drift away. Observe how your breath continues to flow naturally, deeply, calmly. Take note of the stages of a full breath. From the inhale to the pause that follows, the exhale, and the wait before taking another breath. Take note of the small gaps between each breath. Imagine the breath going through the chambers in your sinuses and then down your lungs as it enters through your nose. Allow your thoughts to come and go as they arrive. Then restore your focus to your breathing. After you inhale, look inside your body to see the air slowly filling your body. After you exhale and the air leaves your body, notice how the area inside your lungs shrinks. With each breath, feel your chest and stomach softly rise and fall. Count silently as you inhale. 1. Count silently as you exhale. 1. Wait for the next breath and count again. 1. Exhale 1. Inhale 1. Exhale 1. Count each intake and exhalation as a single breath. Take note of how your body feels right now. Examine your breath to see how quiet and soft it is, as well as how relaxed your body is. It is now time to slowly revive your mind and body. Close your eyes and listen to the sounds around you. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Feel the fabric of your clothes on your skin. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Shoulders shrugged. Remain seated for a few moments after opening your eyes. Stretch your arms and legs softly and straighten your legs. Sit for a few more minutes, noticing how relaxed you are and how your body and mind reawaken to their normal levels of awareness. Slowly get to your feet and carry on with the rest of your day, feeling re-energized. That concludes this meditation technique. Namaste. Remember to click like, subscribe, and comment below for which meditation technique you'd like to hear next.